All of these are the babies that my husband pulls out and transplants them. He wanted a cedar wall there, so he's building one. It took him a while to figure out how to transplant them. The root is the same height as the tree.
You mean length?
The same length, yes. So if the tree is this high, the root is that deep.
Yeah.
So you need to not damage the root when you pull it out. So you have to get the very small trees out of the ground with a lot of the soil around it and transplant it.
And then they do right.
And then you have to water them.